Welcome to my channel. Save big on quality used auto parts. Step 1. Figure out exactly what's needed. Before shopping, confirm what part is actually bad. Sometimes it's not the entire assembly, just a smaller component. Getting that right up front saves time and money. Step 2. Write down the part number or VIN. Every vehicle part has its own code. Use the VIN or the original part number to match replacements perfectly. Guessing or close enough can lead to returns and wasted cash. Step 3. Check local salvage yards first. Most people skip this step, but local junkyards and salvage yards are goldmines. They pull parts from low-mileage vehicles, clean them up, and sell them cheap. Step 4. Search trusted online used part stores. Online Gear Shift Auto Parts is a reputable seller and has massive inventories. The trick is to filter by price, warranty, and condition. Always read the fine print before buying. Step 5. Look for warranties or return policies. Even used parts can come with short warranties, 30, 60, or 90 days. That's a safety net worth having. If the seller refuses any warranty, that's a red flag. Move on. Step 6. Ask about mileage or usage. Used doesn't mean worn out. Many parts come off wrecked vehicles with low mileage. Ask about how many miles were on the donor car. Less mileage usually means longer life. Step 7. Inspect photos closely or in person. Photos tell the truth. Check for rust, cracks, dents, or oil stains. If buying locally, take a quick look before paying. If it looks sketchy or too clean to be real, ask questions. Step 8. Don't forget shipping and core charges. That $250 deal can turn into $350 real quick if there's a hidden core fee or high shipping cost. Always ask the total price after shipping and core return. Step 9. Let a mechanic double-check fitment. Even with the right part number, fitment can be tricky. Have a mechanic confirm compatibility before installation. It saves headaches if something doesn't bolt right. Step 10. Keep every receipt and track warranty dates. Once the part's installed, keep all paperwork. If anything goes wrong during the warranty period, you'll need that proof. It's important. Saving big on quality used auto parts is all about knowing where to look and what to ask. Need help finding solid used parts that actually last? Contact us at 855-475-5657 to get quality used auto parts at the best prices. Thanks for watching.